peeps, welcome back to my channel. I'm Beauty by Diana D, and thank you for stopping by. Today's video, we're going to be doing another inside video inside the dressing room. Now these are becoming my favorites. You guys gave me a lot of feedback on the last video, and I am so excited that you kind of like that video, and I'm going to be doing more. But at the same time, I'm going to be working on the audio because a lot of you guys said, well, not a lot, someone said that my audio was terrible, which your girl is working on it. Give me some time. Anyways, I actually am going to be sharing with you guys what I did, how I'm in the store picking out the outfits that I did pick out for today's video. See which one, tell you guys which one I like, which one I dislike. That's gonna be like in every video. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I want to get copyrighted, but I am at Burlington Factory and I'm going to be trying on outfits today. And basically, I don't have no makeup right now, so I wasn't in the vibe to get glammed up on this trying on clothes today. So here is what they look like. Got these dresses here. I'm going to try on dress number 1, 2, and this is a jumpsuit, which I'm really excited for. Outfit number 1 is a jumpsuit from Burlington Factory, and I have to say, it was a fail. It was a fail. Now, if I would have got a 4X in this outfit, it probably would have been better, but it kind of squeezed in my stomach area, and that one made me feel uncomfortable to wear. Now, if it was a little bit bigger, had a little bit more room, I love the color, you know, I love green, the color green. I just think that, you know, it would have been better. And so, with this outfit, as you can see, my belly is so uncomfortable, and I was not happy with it at all. And this is just a cute little jumpsuit, but it wasn't for me. So, I think I'm going to have to give this one a thumbs down because it wasn't cute. So, the next outfit is this nice leopard print, and I'm going to have to say this. It was a very nice, warm, nice, comfortable dress, but let me tell you, the size of my hips in the back, even if I had like a girdle on, I can just say it probably would do some adjustments. But I'm not for sure, and it was kind of long, so I am clumsy as ever as it is. Last but not least, of course, I had to throw in a floral print because y'all know how I feel about floral print. This one was actually my favorite, and I'm going to say some pros, and I'm going to say some cons. Now, the pros is that the dress, y'all see my Michael Kors bag in the back. Hey, I'm just kidding. The dress is very long, very nice, and it's cute, and I like it. But I have to work on my stomach area. I need a lot of supported girdles. But other than that, I love the floor. I would definitely wear better shoes. But it's just amazing, and I love it. And the floor print is my thing. But it's just my stomach area I have like little self-conscious with at times. But other than that, it looks good. I can do a little bit better with that area, you know, in the dress. But it'll be nice. It'll be a nice cruise dress or just an evening gown. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a big massive thumbs up. Let me know which outfit was your favorite, which one that you think looked flattering on me, and which one, we all know the jumpsuit, so that did not look good at all. But let me know what you guys thought of this video. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I gotta go, and I'll see you soon.